Instead of praising the senator, she was constantly maligning him. Does maligning mean trying to marry, promoting, flattering, or speaking badly of? This sentence uses a contrast clue. Our signal words here are the words instead of, indicating to us that whatever she was doing was the opposite of praising the senator, leading us to understand that maligning must mean defaming or talking badly about him. Let's take a look at our choices and pick the one that best matches our definition. Trying to marry has nothing to do with the context of our sentence or definition, so we can mark that off. Based on the definition defaming that we found, we can understand that maligning is something negative, and promoting and flattering are both positive things, so they can be marked off as well. We are left with speaking badly of, which matches perfectly with our definition and our sentence, and we can therefore say with confidence it is our answer.